think one that we used today that was real helpful was like the flip cards, because then, I mean, you got a chance to like see if you got it right immediately, and if you got it wrong, you got an explanation as to why you got it wrong, so you wouldn't make that mistake again.
Like something's flowing, like imperfect, you would think of water, so you use blue, and red is like preterite, which means it only happened once, so it's like you'll remember like the colors by colors.
Okay, listos.
The clickers help because it's like a different way to learn the same thing. If you're into that kind of learning, it helps you a little bit differently.
So elbow is in front. And what's the last one?
Follow through. They like ask us questions to make sure we understand it, and like if they'll like teach us more if we don't.
Peer-to-peer evaluation is another strategy to check for understanding.
The students are checking for understanding with each other as a peer evaluation, which is standard 2, benchmark 1, and then the indicator is 2, where they have to work with each other and say, okay, practice, how does good practice help them improve?
Good job.
The peer evaluation, I decided to do that because obviously we have to communicate with people every day, and you get constructive criticism when you get a job and you get older. And it's something that kids need to learn now so they can be accustomed to it, because otherwise if they don't have that feedback or that dialogue back and forth with others, then they're going to take it personally.
For some teachers, the process of checking for understanding is natural. It's looking for cues, asking the right questions, listening attentively, and waiting patiently for students to respond. For other teachers, it's a learned craft, honed over time to meet the needs of all students.
Well, it's important to train these teachers because, like, if they're trained and they know what to do, then that will reflect on our grades because they know what we're doing, and then we'll know what we're doing because they're doing a good job, so we'll do a good job.